Smooth shank sinker next. Even though they are coated, they aren't supposed to be used in treated lumber and applications where rust is of concern. 9 pounds. So after throwing out the highest and lowest numbers for each fastener, the galvanized spiral shank only required 131 pounds of force, which is the worst.
Manual recording will
now. Living in the United States of America. 30 million people is 10% of the American.
I hear something familiar.
Manual
boundary between peace and war opens up opportunities for the military to achieve its ends, disguising its activities as civilian and therefore.
For the test, I'll clean the bearing with brake parts cleaner and weigh the bearings again. I'll measure the size of the scar in each bearing as well. While it's not possible for me to simulate engine operating conditions perfectly, the lubricity test...
Calls and emails come in at all times, day and night. They no longer concern fun or prestige. Instead, they focus on fresh water and salt.